As jy asou jy nie probeer dit nie. As jy asou hulle nie weet dit nie. As jy hulle nie sien jy is goed vir hulle nie. They just don't want to acknowledge it. They just don't want to tell you. They just don't want to say thank you. They just don't want to do that, and you still trying. Want jy is try Rita en jy is impress Rita. Jy wil impress en die Here ken my hart. Ons doen dit so kliphard, maar hulle sien dit net nie. Hulle draai nog steeds om en maak jou seer. Dat jy nie kan verstaan hoekom nie. Sy het jou laaste gegee, sy gee nog steeds jou laaste en hulle maak jou nog steeds seer. They chose to do that. They had a choice. And they still chose to hurt you. And they claimed that you are the only one that listened to them, the only one that they gave them, the only one that, but the only one they actually hurt. Without even considering your feelings. Because dis hoe niks hulle van jou dink nie. So luister gou folks. You tried. You gave your best. You gave your everything. It's time for you to let go and let God. You tried. They don't want to listen. You tried. They don't care. They just want to receive from you and they're not willing to give it back. Jou goeie hart is besig om veel pyn te veroorsaak. Bid vir God vir 'n spirit of discernment, 'n gees van onderskeiding. Because jou eie honde byt vir jou die seerste. Maar as een ding wat ek weet van Habakuk 2 wat sê, dit maak nie saak hoe lank dit vat nie. Dit maak nie saak wat gebeur nie. Sekerlik weet ek. I will receive what God wanna give me. Sekerlik, it's not denied, even though it's delayed, but I will get what God promised to give me. So mag Here u seën en mag u 'n awesome dag hê. Wie is God dan? 14de Maart op jou bors 2026 in Beaufort West. R50 'n kaartjie, R25 vir die adults. En is dienshal vanaf 2 tot hoe die Gees ons lei. Wie is God dan? Ek en jy, ons maak 'n gevaarlike ding vir die Here aan. Wat? So indien jy informasie kort 065-825-4953 op jou brood Nana. Come on, jou support T-Sat en jy gaan support. En as jy nie bijvoorbeeld as jy koop 'n kaartjie nog steeds. Be a blessing while you are alive. Die Here seën. Wees gaan dan. Self jou focus en doen wat die Here wil hê jy moet doen. Come on, jou doen dit.